Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard and here we are in the last week of 2023. So with that said, all I have to say for this week's video is really a question posed to you. What wisdoms have you gained in this year? What lessons have you learned in this year? I can tell you I've learned a lot from different clients I've worked with other attorneys I've worked with just life stuff. There's always something to learn and a lesson to be learned. And so I hope that as we go into the new year, that you have learned something that you can take with you into that new year and to be a better you. So happy new year to you and yours. Have a safe, fruitful, magnificent, fantastic 2024. And thank you all for your support over these last 7 years.